I'm thrilled to say that I am now in a position to give you something unique. An online reading experience unlike any other. It's called Pottermore.
J.K. Rowling says Harry Potter's like an old boyfriend who she can't quite say goodbye to. So now, 4 years after the final book came out, she's written more. The stuff that couldn't be fitted into the original 7 books. And so these young fans get their first chance to see these 18,000 words that are adding to the Harry Potter saga. The question is, will they ever appear in print? Probably not. J.K. Rowling, a lover of print and paper, is keeping this an online experience. She's also agreed to e-book versions of the 7 Potter novels.
The format isn't particularly important to me. I am a big fan of print and paper. I think that's maybe a generational thing. But very, very recently, this year, for the first time, I downloaded e-books, and I was travelling, and it was a godsend. You know, I can carry 12 bedtime stories around for my kids on a small device, and that's a wonderful thing when you're travelling particularly. So I've used both, enjoyed both, and I think that's the future.
44 moments.
This website then will be the place for her to carry on writing about wands and the stories behind her wizard teachers. The relationship with Harry has gone from an all-consuming love affair to something a bit more casual. And at the press conference, she was clear.
I do have closure with Harry.
The writing may continue, but only on the website. There won't be another full Harry novel, either in an e-book or on old-fashioned paper. David Sillito, BBC News.